In this section, we are going to learn about simple interest. As we all know, the simple interest formula is like that. I equals P R N. In this case, we take R, which is the interest rate. We have to make it as a decimal number. Or it can be I equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T time in years over 100. In the other case, we keep R in percentage. So here R is in decimal, and here R is in percentage, just to remember. Let's take this example. Chloe invested $6,000 at 3.25% per annum, which means per year. Simple interest for 4 years. Let's see this information. Investment. $6,000, it means the principal value P. 3.25% per annum, which is the R. If we are using this formula, we have to make it as a decimal number. If we are using the other formula, we keep it as it is. So simple interest for 4 years, which is the number of years based on the first rule. Part A. How much interest, which is I have to find the value of I, will she earn over the 4 years? We are going first to use the first rule, I equals P R N. The principal value, which is $6,000, times R, the interest rate, which is going to be in decimal number, times N, the number of years. Let's start. What is the value of P? 6,000 times the value of R. We have to make it as a decimal number. It is given to you in percentage. Remember that it should be like that, 3.25. When you want to change from percentage to decimal, you divide by 100 and you get 0.0325. Then times the value of N, which is the number of years, which is 4. Now we need to get the answer. 6,000 times 0.0325 times 4. It is equal to $780. That means Chloe is gonna gain $780 over 4 years. Let's now use the other rule. I equals P R T over 100. So the value of P, which is the principal value, is $6,000 times R. In this case, we keep it in percentage, which is 3.25, times T is the time in years, which is 4. All of it over 100. And we're gonna get the answer using a calculator. So 6,000 times 3.25 times 4. Let's first get the answer and then divide it by 100. So it is going to be $780. Now we move to part B. Part B. How much will be in her account at the end of 4 years? So total amount in her account will be the initial value, the initial principal value, plus the interest gained, which means 6,000 plus 780. That gives you $6,780. So if she starts with an investment of $6,000 with this interest rate, After 4 years, she will have $6,780 in her account. Thank you.